Hi there, this is Scott with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm here to give you a closer look at our certified pre-owned pick of the week, a 2015 Chevy Traverse LTZ all-wheel drive. This Traverse has just under 47,000 miles, and Apple Chevy is offering an $800 discount from the market value of this vehicle, with an additional 0.9% financing rate available until the end of this month. The Carfax report for this vehicle shows it was a one owner with a documented service history of regular maintenance and shows no accidents or damages reported. This vehicle has a 3.6 liter 6-cylinder engine, which is an all-wheel drive, as I mentioned earlier. As we go and take a look inside this vehicle, you can see all the nice features the LTZ has to offer. First thing you notice is the beautiful black leather trim interior, upgraded Bose sound system, the beautiful entertainment system, complete with heated and cooled front seats. And to top it all off, this Traverse also has a sunroof and a moonroof for the rear passengers to enjoy as well. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any others on our lot, please give Apple Chevrolet a call, 708-429-3000, or you can check us out online at applechevy.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day.